Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and you all are practicing problems. Let us for now face this one. And what is said here, you can see the diagram and we are given value of electric potential difference between point A and B. So A is here and B is here and that is given as negative of 22 by X and we have to calculate the value of X. If you look at this circuit carefully, I mean nothing is very much clear about which one is in series parallel, how we can calculate equivalent EMF of the circuit. We cannot go around this question in this way, right? So we need to do something else. So let us start with that one. Let's say we are assigning certain value of potential to A. So let us say I'm giving it potential of 0. Done it? And if negative terminal of this battery has a potential of 0 because it is directly connected with point A, and if that is the case, in that case, what should be the potential difference? Sorry, what should be the potential of its positive terminal? So that difference is equal to 1 volt. So that should be 1. So this point should have potential of 1 volt. Done it? Now in this case, this negative terminal of this battery has a potential of 1 volt. What should be the potential of positive terminal of the battery to give potential difference of 1 volt, right? So यहाँ पे कितना होना चाहिए 2, then only difference will be 2 minus 1 1. Similarly, this negative terminal has now potential of 2 volt. So its positive terminal must have a potential of 3 volt in order to generate potential difference of 1 volt. So this will be 3 volt. And now this negative terminal has a potential of 3 volt. So its positive terminal must have a potential of 4 volt in order to give this difference equal to what? Uh, 1 volt, right? Now let us assign this point also some potential. Let's say this point has a potential of y. If this has a potential of y, in that case, this point will have potential of y plus 1, giving potential difference 1. And if this is y plus 1, this should have a potential of y plus 2 in order to give potential difference of 1 volt. And this should have a y plus 3 in order to give potential difference of 1 volt. And this should have a y plus 4 in order to give potential difference of 1 volt. ठीक है? So this marking we have done because जहाँ पे हमें सर्किट क्लियरली समझ में नहीं आता सीरीज पैरेलल क्या है, सी ई इक्विवेलेंट कैसे निकाल सकते हैं, नथिंग इज क्लियर, वी कैन असाइन पोटेंशियल टू ईच पॉइंट। डन है? क्योंकि अगर सर्किट का कोई भी ट्रिक काम नहीं आ रहा, सिमेट्री, ज्योमेट्री, नथिंग, then we will go with this one, right? So I mean, after assigning potential to each point, you can calculate current through each section. Done it? After that, you can use KVL or something to calculate Y. KVL or KCL to calculate Y, and if you know Y, you can calculate potential difference between VB minus VA. Okay? So let us do that one. What will be current in this branch? I mean Y plus 4 and this is 4. So this has a higher potential. Current will flow in the downward sense. And potential difference value is how much? Y plus 4 minus 4, that is Y. And resistance is 1. So potential difference by resistance. So Y by 1. So current here will be Y. Now, if you check what will be current in this arm. So let's say y plus 3 is greater than 4. So current will be in this direction. And current value will be how much? Y plus 3 minus 4. That is y minus 1. And y minus 1 by 1, that will give you y minus 1. Okay? And what will be current in this branch? Here also potential difference is 1, right? So if potential difference is 1, sorry, here also potential difference is y and resistance is 1, so current will be y. Okay? Now if you talk about this point, this node, then from this node how much current is going out? Here current going out is y because this is the y, right? And here current going out is y minus 1, here it is y. So total current going out of this node is equal to how much? Y plus y minus 1, that is 3y minus 1. So 3y minus 1 current must be coming at this node. So here this current will be 3y minus 1. ठीक है? So this is this thing. अब आप potential difference से check करो, इधर current हो जाएगा y and here current will be how much? Y minus 1 as we have done before. Now again consider this node. इस node से how much amount of current is going out? So this is 3y minus 1, this is y and this is y. So sorry, this is y minus 1, this is y and this is 3y minus 1. So this will become 5y minus 2. So this is 5y minus 2. Again this is y minus 1 and this is y. ठीक है? So current coming over here will be equal to how much? That will be 7y minus 3. So this is 7y minus 3, and again this current will be y minus 1, and this current is your what? Y. Okay, so current distribution we have done. I will rewrite it over here. So this is y, this is y minus 1, and this is how much? This is 7y minus 3. So again, this is y minus 1, this is your y, and this current is how much? 5y minus 2. And again, this is y, this is y minus 1, and this current is how much? 3y minus 1, right? And this current is how much? Y minus 1. This is your y, and this is your how much? Y. ठीक है? So this is the scene. Now we need to check for the value of y. अब आप देखो ध्यान से इस नोड पे फोकस करो, इस नोड पे आप फोकस करो। यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? हाउ मच करंट इज गोइंग आउट ऑफ दिस नोड? सो 7y minus 3 plus y minus 1 plus y. How much current is coming to this node? Nothing, right? So whatever is coming out of this node is also should be nothing. So this should be equal to nothing, that is 0, right? So this will become equal to how much? This is your 9y and minus 4 equal to 0. So y is equal to 4 by 9. Once we know the value of y, we can easily calculate potential difference between A and B. So we were given what? VA minus VB, right? Yes. So let us proceed from A. Let us start from A. So I'm going to write VA. ठीक है? Let us write KVL starting from A to ending at B. ठीक है? So VA minus, I mean we are moving opposite to the direction of current, so we need to give plus y. ठीक है? Y into 1, that is y. And when you will go in this branch, you are moving from low potential to higher, so plus 1. Again here from lower to higher, so plus 1. And you are reaching at point B, so equal to karoge B. Because you started from A, on the way you added potential drops, whatever happened, positive or negative. And if you are reaching at B, sum of all those drop plus VA will be equal to VB, right? This is how we can write KVL in, not in a circular loop, also in a straight loop we can write it like this. Okay, so this is this. अब देखो VA minus VB is equal to how much? Minus of y plus 2. So this will be equal to minus of y is how much? 4 by 9 plus 2. So this will give you how much? Minus 22 by 9 volt. So x clearly is 9. Okay. So I hope you have got this question, but if you have doubt anywhere, you can always let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.